In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use timelines in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to open the timeline from your workspace overview, focus it on the right dates, adjust the zoom, save your setup, and make quick updates directly from the timeline itself. Start on the overview of your team space inside your workspace. From here, look for the option to view your work on a timeline. You'll see a prompt that says, See tasks by start and due date. Click that to jump straight into the timeline view. This view lays out your tasks along a calendar so you can instantly see what starts when, what's due soon, and where items might overlap. Once the timeline opens, use the toolbar controls to fine-tune what you're seeing. Click through the available options to toggle display settings and focus the view. If you see an option to add trim, use it to narrow the visible window so you're only looking at the most relevant range. Next, jump to the present by clicking Today. If your screen doesn't center on today right away, click Today again to snap the view precisely where you need it. Now, adjust your zoom level. Change the scale to days, then select 7 days to see a clean 1-week snapshot. This weekly lens is great for spotting bottlenecks and sequencing work without getting overwhelmed by a long horizon. When the view looks right, save it. Click Save View so your filters, zoom, and layout persist the next time you come back. This is especially helpful for teams. You'll all be looking at the same setup. From the timeline, open a task by clicking its bar. For example, a delivery or milestone. If any important fields are empty, like a date or assignee, click the empty field and fill it in. Confirm your changes, then close the task to return to the timeline. Keeping start and due dates populated is essential here. The timeline relies on them to place bars correctly. Back on the timeline, adjust the visual density if you need more on screen. Choose thinner to make taskbars more compact so you can scan more rows without scrolling. Finally, fine-tune scheduling right on the timeline. Drag a taskbar left or right to move its start date, or pull an edge to shorten or extend its duration. This is the fastest way to adapt to shifting priorities while keeping everything aligned. That's it. You've opened the timeline from Overview, centered on today, set a 1-week zoom, saved your view, updated a task, refined the display, and adjusted schedules visually. Try these steps with your own projects to keep plans clear and your team in sync.